Media Choice Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on the show. Viewer discretion is advised.
Do you think ndikanaka gwagwa bana baumba tutu bana bafungula ndiga bebaje mu municipalities ona abatwalira kabalinga sente za parish man ndibagenda kudda. You think those youths are going to come back abaagenze Kyankwanzi? Bagenda kudda.
Simanyi.
Buli kyagenze Kyankwanzi kyonna nga kivudde mu NUP. Ffe betubadde nabo emyaka gino gyonna batujonza ne batunya ku mitwe ne batunyolako ne baniya. Mwe batanieko. Amwe batanieko.
Mwe batuteyo kati.
Fa babadde nabo ne batukuba ne batunyolako. Batunyolako.
Kuba kutwala Kyankwanzi.
Ntoka matako gabo ntibe. Be balina okunyamba tufulume. Amana kufuluma n'ofuluma bani n'ofuluma. Mwe muki. They use and dump you. If you begin to Kyankwanzi Mbwa. Kyankwanzi yatandise gulu.
Kyankwanzi teriyo kalungi.
If Kyankwanzi shapes people, ababo basepinze.
Mazima.
Ababo
abagenda yo.
Nino kiraba. Nikivuye mukono n'entwe yakyo n'entwe. Nikivuye mukono n'entwe yakyo. Ekyo kisajja ekikwate ekyo ngende kiwe ekirabo kyo kyasinze obusiru mu Uganda omwaka guno. Ekyo kimeya ky'emukono. N'ekikuba Amawulire ababokete nga kiri emmere. Toli agakomere w'ekyo busajja gwe. Ewantu wali mmere mukazi wakumma emmere ku manyoko. Mbwe ebyennyanja ebitoto bigabidde amasomero. You are stupid. Ate biribwa. N'owulira embwa. Mbwa ekizino. Nemukuba amato g'abavubi kubanga mwagala mu nnuuni nalebera empuuga n'omutwe ate mu basiru mpuuga ate yagenda wala mpuuga mu basiru ate yagenda
ajja kutwala mu kooti
tayina mukuba ne muteeka wali what is his background nabagamba nti mwe abali mu gavumenti mugende mwemanyiza akawunga akatono n'obufalisa obutono mbagamba nti mujja kulaba abasajja abadduka okuva mu Ankole naye nga bebagaze seddume zante nga ziwanise emikira nga it is the only mobile thing to take yawe from Anangule mob. Kakati Museveni taina disciples, taina ideologies. You go to Kyankwanzi. Kyankwanzi is intended for money. Aiso magezi and Nankabirwa are going to Kyankwanzi. Mbuba agundi bano.
No, not course.
Aba municipality aba NUP mbaba tutte Kyankwanzi. If you have failed on your own people, can Kyankwanzi transform? Bajene bababa. In fact, I was watching a meeting where one of the meetings, which we are going to play, good steps we shall play at a later stage. Somebody said, we have spent billions on people. We buy and they go back. Why do you buy people who go back? Why don't you use it? Why don't you put that money on the Mirundis? Because which side are you talking about? Which are you operating a government like a Premier League? In the Premier League in the 80s and the 70s, when our soccer teams were operating performing well, Kampala City Council had a cab, city cabs, a training for the big team. But these days, a player comes on his own.
Yes, they just source from other.
This is why in the Premier League, every season somebody can go away.
Yes, because
you are not traveling your own people. This is the problem of NRM. The NRM government operates like a Premier League. That when Mirundi comes out on his own, ogula ideology, ompadde sente mmeka. Kakati kyovola nti babagula ne baddayo. Somebody was saying nti babagula ne bakola ki ne baddayo. Nti how much money somebody was saying. In fact akatambi kaffe ke twakubye kakoze nnyo. I was watching somebody after attending a meeting where he was thoroughly grilled. Namulabye wa bitatuule. Ebyuma byange byamulabye wa bitatuule.
Mzee wafunye ekyuma ekipya.
Kitya.
Ajide. Kati bokwanza.
Yemwenda agamba mudiza majini. Oba majini muti ejini shiramu. Bwe muba muteesa muteekewo emisito gy'embizi. Ejini terijja. This is technology.
Yes.
It's not gene.
It's not witchcraft.
Either you record yourselves and you come to me to pay you money, or it is scientific. It's scientific. Yes.
I see.
Kakati njagala nkubuulire. Njagala nkusabe. Pastors fitina tekola. Fitina tekola. Maligning because will not work. Confront him with the political ideas. Wait him to issue his manifesto. And he could say the manifesto. But maligning because will fail. It has failed on Bujingo, it has failed on me. He's a madman. He's a drunkard. How can a drunkard defeat you?
I see.
Kakati. Nagenzi. Pastor Senyonga. Wamuyambisa abo bakalolo okulutu nagabe mmere. Anzije ku program. Nenka bejogoli yako nenka busiru bwako. Nempa ku program ya kugaba kalo. Kati mmere kachaji gaba.
Takutwale mu koti.
Kasenyonga mmere kachaji gaba. Akachaji gaba. Kasenyonga nekavaawo. Nekagenda kagula niya. Pastor Kakandezi church. Obufere wabukidde Mbwa zabuke nezikuba. Pastor Senyonga agoze ekyo Kayanja wabadde agenda okuzimba. Kayanja laughed. And Kayanja is a man who does not make a noise. Kakande. Kakande. Pastor Kakande is a man who does not make a noise. Kakande invited me to tour his church.
The one he's building now.
Hey, it is the 90th church ya Kakande eyina emyaliro 19.
Nene bulala.
Ogendera muri futi.
Serious?
Nescavators amadala ganera na mugambi.
Agatambula.
Nti ogenda kufuna abagoberezi bangi. Tebalabanga ku madala kuva bweru. Buli mwaliro njagala ogendeyo. Pastor Kakande yampise nanambuza chachi ye. Era ne muganzo onkoledde ekintu kyamaanyi nnyo kuba nange mbadde sijja kikkiriza nti mu Uganda muli mu chachi eyina emyalire 19. 19
ng'olinnyayo ne escalators oyimira kubirizi nezikutwala. Centers.
Nerifutisi. Ebere buli mwaliro guliko abantu we batuukira. Buli mwaliro guliko kantini. Buli mwaliro guliko conference center. Era womulabira yali ku raise ground. If these people they were local, all those who want to see Pastor Kakande, tolwana kumulaba kujjuza kapapula. Otula butuzi katebe buli katebe kaliko namba ga airport. Number 1 Uganda Kakande. Number 2 Uganda Kakande.
Osema busomi kapa.
It was in ebyogera. Kakande yakoze church na Basenyonga nabadde ko mwaliro gwa 19 nga kachache kasenyonga kalinga kakabini. Go there and see.
Abzaibo yagalo omuntu.
No, you go there and see ku mwaliro gwa 19.
Bobera ku mwaliro gwa 19. Olengera kachache
kasenyonga kalinga kakabini.
Polida.
Era this when you see when you go ku mwaliro gwa 19 olaba nti Kampala is Islam. Obuyumba buli bwebuti. Ebizimbe biwanvu olaba bitono. You see Kwese Towers, you see Chinecha Uganda Revenue Authority, obulala bonna buli draft.
Emapeera.
Kakati Senyonga ne kalolo okulutu abali bamuwaga kuna abakubi. Fitina tekola.
Yagenda agula ekizimbe ekiddawo
Mbwa ngenda alowooza nti bakola horizontally. Modernity. Kakande akoze church ya myaliro 19. You go there. I don't know why.
Yeah, I'll go there and see.
You go there. Kakande should open up for you. Emyaliro 19. Nga buli wabeera wonna yali ku raise ground.
Gw'omulaba.
Buli
mwaliro
emyaliro 19. Ba design akatuuti ka pastor. Nga buli wabeera omukola ki.
Omulaba.
Teri church wano eriruddawa. Ekyeki ya Kakande geriruddawa. Abalowooza horizontale. Ekyaki kinole bwekiti.
Balowooza kuzimba mabaati
temuli mwakisiki gundi, temuli muki. But when you go to Kakande's church, ya myaliro 19. Olinya lifuti.
Oba escalators. N'ogendera ku madaala.
Ku madaala. Yekinambuzizza. And I don't know why. Era namugambye nti I agree with you. God cannot be in a bad place. Yes. If God can be in a bad place, we wouldn't strive to go to heaven.
Yes.
era abasiraamu bakuga nti ekigambo jjana
kintu kirungi nnyo
kitegeeza ekibikkeko era jahannama katonda bwe yali akola katonda bwe yali ateekateeka omuliro nejjana yayita Jibuliiru nga kakande bwe yampise yayita Jibuliiru
goweegulibira ebintu byo
kakati Jibuliiru naawe amagezi era obadde buli tutuuka ku mwaliiro nga kakanda ambuuza ene question konza ate nkubuuza eki amuva buli muti kati nkubuuza eki
kinsuseeko
kubanga nze sirabangako kyaki yadde yeerubaga nti muli futisi
temuli
the only strange thing about Lubagandi na Mirembe there are no byebizimbe omutali mpaji temuli mitayimbwa bazimbanga bisenge ate obutafali nga butono amatafali agazimba na Mirembe bagajja mityana towulire gyebayita sikamudali sikamudali babagambanga nti amatafali gosombye obungi bwago ogenda kulina na Katonda naye okubakozesa ku bwereere kipulepa batuuka ne baga nti sikamudali gunnemye omudali gunnemye naye kyaki yakakande not kayanja cannot afford this kayanja at the already gund bakayanja bo bagenzi abo bakayanja bagenzi that's the old generation abadde bazanyira ku political patronage yalina okugenda mu chacha enoki kakati abaliwo kakande bwe negundi ne bujingo
serious
ne Sewadda is a humble man
kambuze
n'abalala bali humble abadde tebali gundi propelled by State House
kambuze when kakande called you as the Jibuliiru bagezi kigwa muwadde
anti nkubulire I was overwhelmed
tokirabangako
sikirabangako nti to go to a church ninya lifuti to go to a church excavators
goina biri tochuka no togene mu kyaki
anti nange sabuli yange lya mategula nagane essubi nange ntula ku Namulondo n'Ennamula naye sabo omukanga teyeeganga era nagambye kakande ne muga nti okubi abasamize omukanga teyeeganga omukanga teyeeganga ng'Abaganda bakugamba ndi okusaba enja z'omuzigo omala kulabira ku baana baayo abaana baayo basiiwuuka ate osaba oti enja z'omuzigo God cannot be in a bad place
seriously
amasabo gakolebwangako essubi that was kyekyaliwo mu kiseera ekyo ebiwempe tudde tuyinza kusanga kyaki nti Katonda oyina essabo lyo oli musawo Muganda ng'amafumu nago oli nago tekuliko fertilization system tekuliko ba escape route nga omuliro gukutta omuliro nti eryo ssabo mulimu Katonda eryo ssabo liri mu Katonda
ate agedda teyabeeranga mu nsuli yabeeranga
that was the level of architectureism
by the time
byebyaliwo essabo ly'olwaleero oyina okubanga lyamategula mwina okubaamu entebe mwina okuba mwe muli Katonda tasobola kubeera wantu wabi
muzeeyi baatugamba nti omuntu abeera musa ajja kgenda mu muliro kati bwe yagenda mu muliro wanoonya ekimukanisa
anze bajja kunnamula according ku byenzikiririzaamu
onagenda mu ggulu Tamale
I will stage a spiritual fight with God. Guraji watuleta Satan ku nsi. Bw'oba akakanda amaanyi agamugoba.
Onayakayana ne Katonda.
Yaleta waaki? Yaleta waaki ku nsi? Oba ye yamulema n'amuleeta ku nsi?
Ati yamuteekawo ng'ekipimo aba mukkiririza.
Ekyo kyennyini kye
gwe n'olondawo ssabo.
Nti Jahannama
n'abeeramu mu ggulu.
Allah bwe yali akola Jahannama. Yagiteekamu omuliro mungi nnyo nga kifo kyakutiisa kyamaanyi Jibuliiru n'amugaa nti tolina gwogenda kukwata abantu bonna bagenda kutya omuliro guno tolina gwogenda kukwata that's why Jahannama n'agikendeezaako obukambwe bwayo ejjana naye Allah bwe yali atambula ne Jibuliiru ng'amulambuza ejjana yamugamba ekifo ky'okoze kyamaanyi nnyo kirungi nnyo tolina gwogenda kukwata kibikkeko ejjana kitegeeza kubikkako ekibikkeko yejjana kiri kye yali akoze kyali kirungi nnyo nze kakande kasa yampise pasa kakande ne tulambula church nalabye Katonda ne Jibuliru najjukidde mu Bible mu basaamu kiboogera nti Katonda nga tannaba kukola jana nga tannaba kukola jahannama yayita Jibuliru namga kyenkozo kirabye kakande yayise Jibuliru
amugaye kyenkozo kirabye
obwedda buli wetutuuka conference buli at every level ku myalire 19 kuliko conference hall kuliko good toilets ezabakyala n'abaki
n'abaami
kuliko conference hall kakati gwe ayagala okulaba kakande gwe otuula katebe kuno number 1
nosoma katebeko
koogera
zize namba emu
nga mu banka ezimu
akatebeko koogera
nga ku kisaawe ekyennyonyi number 1 kitegeeza gwe bakuyise number 2 kati akatebe kotuulako kaliko enamba number 3 number 4 number 5 number 6 teri byakuteekayo kapapula teri byakulwana katebe
kokujjayo
era bakola obutebe yabadde emyaliro 19 na Ssenyonga
yagula ekizibu ekitali kuki
yakubye Ssenyonga akaswanyi Mbwa preventinga ye yali alowooza Ssenyonga mu kubalaku okutono okufunda nti kakande agenda kukola kyaki ezaabwe zirugogoma Ssenyonga yali tamanyi ne waggulu bazimbayo you can't visit this man's church.
I see.
I don't know why he invited me.
Akkiriza y'abantu okugiraba.
Jabbatwalayo.
Mazima.
Ngenda kubatwalayo wakakande. Musabe.
Naye sente azijjawo.
Mulambule kyaki.
Fena kitu kye twebuuza. Obwavu obuluma abantu mu ggwanga.
Let me tell you.
Kakande zazijjawo. Zizimba kyaki eriko n'obutebe
batusomesa mu public relations. Gwolowooza. Lwaki mu Uganda abantu banywa bottled water. Once you have a middle class. A middle class etandika okutya okulwala nti ngenda ntya mu ddwaliro ne banditeketinga omusajja nganze nti oyina doyoleya nti wanywedde amazzi agalimu B nanywedde B
omusajja nga ggwe
nti dokita nagamba nti have doyoleya wanywedde B
ku mazzi agalimu obukyafu
enziku kalekale naye okunywa B so kakati when you are doing something in Uganda Chino kubate goloza governor waliyochi. I've never gone to governor. But governor waliyochi. Waliyochi ni governor.
Pulira ba zimba yo.
Nawe tugenda nga.
Nange sigenda nga yo.
Which means oyina okutegeera nti okolerani. Okolerani.
Obokola ekintu.
Ekintu kyokka mu Uganda ekiri ku level ya wansi abantu kye bakayanira wanna alonga ekatwe. You find the people who live hotels, comfortable chairs in hotels, and they fight a seat on a bench. Ekatwe. Why? Afumba bintu byaki traditional meals. Yes.
Kambuze muzeyi. The question is not ani gwazimbira. Abantu we balaba ebizimbe bwe bite ebivaayo obuviwe batyo. Bujingo apulaninga smape.
Era naye agenda ekikola.
Ekinene.
Ne bujingo agenda ekikola.
Kakanda apulaninga.
Katonda tayinza kubeera mu nsiisira.
Bo sente bazijjawa. Katonda
azibawa bamukolere bamutendereze.
Mpulira.
Bamukolere ekirungi. Naye noganti bajjajja. Bajjajja
kye kiva kibalowooza sente za state
kakati kwogenda mu lumbe wasoma n'ogenda mu lumbe lw'omuntu ne baga nti omugenzi yafa alamye temunaba mu ngalo nga mulya ntambula butambu ndwale nange ndwale ekiwanga okulya temumala kunaaba mu ngalo amazzi ge bafumbisiza ennyama gomba fumbe siya
era nange nsobola once you tell me that newankubadde lumbe ate neme kunaaba mu ngalo
era bw'osoma akatabo when you read my book the history of media in Uganda mbabuulira ti Pike yaleeta revolution yatusanga tetulina color printers Pike n'agireeta ekitegeeza mu Uganda kati okyasobola kukola lupapula lwa Amawulire kyobola monitor yeetunda bwetunzi monitor yeetunda bwetunzi cannot compete with the New Vision n'aba New Vision nabo bazze mu kusaba ssente zino era nazo bajja zirya nazo bajja zibba zibajja mu parliament ate they don't have financial prudence gwogamba ti ababbi b'amabaati be baagabbye bannannyini nsi bo tebalabwa nabaga nti gavumenti ya Museveni efaanananga essomero omuli omukulu w'essomero ng'abaana be balalu be bafunyisa embuto bagoba kakati nze nabadde mbalaba somebody was grilled for 8 hours. Akatambi ketuwakubi. Grilled. And after there, he went to Bondi, Bitatuli. He must apologize to Muhozi. Yageze wa Bitatuli. Neye Museveni yategedde nti akatambi katuufu. Museveni yewunyiza omuntu asobola okugamba mu mutima gwe. Hit Muhozi below the belt. You pump money into Kenyans to make a Muhozi a comedian.
I see.
Bumiba ko Uganda. Mumuonone. Kati fuba tuononye bimeka. We are mad people. Mad way. Sinza kujja kubakoleramu. I fought my way up to today. Sirikolagana ko namu. Muli bajozi. Kati akakatambi kogenda okuba. Ojja bawulira. This man is tokawulidde. They are not reliable. I am to get 5 billion. Museveni is Ziyamba.
You're not destroying Obutambi.
But I must destroy, and you need these you are fools. Why? How many recordings do you now have? When I'm still capturing you. Abalansi abatula n'aba America. Nti Soloti 1 Soloti 2. Nti mu destroying the nuclear weaponism arsenals. Anya ozimanyi. Kati goyinzo ganne North Korea. First of all technology emufunyi. Ne bwe destroying ngabino.
Ebe manye ekikole.
Eddamu n'ekikola.
Ekizaawo etya.
Yes. Kakati these fools bangala fefeta apologize. They have prolonged the war.
They are saying you should get them and delete the
Mbwa
ones you played
my family members to talk and the lawyers. But where do you find the vanquished dictating the terms of surrender?
I see.
Consider defeat. I've defeated you decisively. I don't need you. The political landscape has changed. If Muhozi can help me to get this money you are talking about, even bigger money. Yes. Ekitegeza musicha yogera na musibe etaga. 2. Are you admitting that the recordings are yours? Are you admitting that the recordings are yours? Ne kayina katwe akogera. Kayina obujozi bwakombo 50-50. I'll never give you 50-50. Abatandika olutalo yali tumwebaze ne nakalema mbakubimba mazeewo. Era Museveni bw'aba tamanyi abasudde government ye akoko ogwanga ne tumwebaze. These are deadly fellows. Is not this man is harassing.
Yeah, good day.
I was watching Museveni grilling somebody for 8 hours in a meeting. And after that meeting he went to Bitatuli. Was directed to apologize to Muhozi. Kakati kyenkubuuza kiri kimu. Museveni tamanyi nti kano akayina olutwe akayina dark side akayina skeletons akayina omusagama mu ngalo ke kamuliko oyo ogwanga naye byalimu bugenda ne bwefulo bwekitalo ne bagolola engoye ne bafuba family ne bakola ki. They have skeletons in their cupboards.
I see.
Ogwanga and tumwebaze are the most dangerous people in this government. Yes, I'm telling you. I have the facts. I can embarrass any of these people if the opposite take me to court. Tumwebaze. Goroza ani ayogera. Mukadi akatambi ani ayogera. They have the machines to verify the voices.
I see.
Ani are interested. Muhozi. Nina, we shall play another tape. Where Mbabazi was saying it to Mwebazi. Don't attack that man. That man attacked me from 2006. And he defeated me. He started calling me Kariabulo. It wasn't me. Tumwebazi brought to a Chinese. They went to the Chinese embassy and got technology to destroy my weapons, my technology. They failed. A man, Tumwebazi had failed to pay for a man who dragged him before Mbabazi. Mbabazi told Tumwebazi, do we bet on wrestlers or lizards? This man is an international hacker who will take away your money. I have video and audio. So, the most dangerous people in Uganda who are worse than Kony is Ogwang and Tumwebazi.
I see.
Let Museveni investigate it. If Museveni feels that I'm valuable, let him call me and I prove my assertion that the most dangerous people in Uganda is Ogwang, and Tumwebazi.
Dangerous.
And they have skeletons to cover in their cupboards.
I see.
People who fear the change of government. I was listening to Mwanga. Mwanga was saying, how can you have Muhozi as a president who has not worked anywhere. Where did Mwanga work before he became an M.P? If it is a requirement. He launched what he used to call popular resistance against the SAD, not the third, SAD term. He's now with the biggest beneficiary. He has hotels.
I see.
Yes.
Mwanga of the opposition.
Hey. Where do you find an opposition that does not take advantage of any scandal in the government?
Everyone in the opposition must take advantage of the failures.
Have you heard Mpuga talking about the scandal? Even when the speaker told Mpuga to go with your wang and investigate what is Mpuga no mulambwe, he seeks more than a corpus. Has lost. Bob Wine has lost. The beneficiaries are three. Me, myself, I grabbed it from the opposition. I'm strategic. I thought, I knew that if I don't grab it, this kind of from the opposition, bajja tukubisa. Nichi bajjako. Bob Wine no mulambwe. Bob Wine has suffered a setback. Are you a government in waiting? Because when they come to parliament, they emerge.
I see.
In fact, I'm telling them that if there was not Museveni and Mohoz, soldiers will stage a coup. We are going to play a recording where somebody arrogantly said, we don't mind about Ugandans. You know Ugandans. Ugandans are like cows. You had them on a lorry, they enjoy the ride, and they end up in a slaughterhouse. He has not made up a proper evaluation. The argument is that they can buy off the opposition. Once you buy up the opposition, what does it mean? You will get a headless revolution.
I see.
Mujja kufuna abakambwe abatali knowledgeable. Mubunene bwogera nabo. You will get the Sudanese situation. To Sudanese situation, Sudan tekyaddayo kutereera. And I was talking, nino mwana gwe nabbulamu Salva Kiir. I was talking to one of Salva Kiir's aides, and he told me he wants to go to take that kid to Southern Sudan. I was telling this young man that look here, you were lucky. Why? Do you know that they are talking about when you back to Sudan, as Galanga wanted? Galanga wanted the United Sudan. It was the Americans who did not want it. They wanted to create a buffer zone to stop the spread of Islamic fundamentalism. Two, most of the small weapons that are used in the West Bank are manufactured in Sudan because there is no order. Kakati, why are they fighting in Sudan? They are fighting in Sudan because they want this man who is in power wants to create a secular state. He has decided to ban Sharia law, has banned because he thinks of a united Sudan. And two, I told this man, the Sudanese aide who came to me, I gave him a book where I predicted what will happen in Southern Sudan. I told him, you are going to have peace in Southern Sudan. Why? The Khartoum strategists wanted to make sure that Southern Sudan's independence fails to stop other areas like Darfur from seeking independence. It was their strategy. Like these Europeans who gave us independence, they left here political landmines. In 19, when they are electing people to go to CA, a man called Bazira stood in Entebbe and he said, when you elect me to CA, I will call the Queen to come back. Many Ugandans of that age believe in Australia that things were better during the colonial times. That after the independence, in fact, many people think we were quick to get independence. No, it was deliberately done by the departing Europeans. To make it, in fact, we have, there is a paper that disappeared in Makerere. It was authored by Professor Karugire. Is it a wind of change or change in the wind? And he was quoting the then Prime Minister of Britain, British Prime Minister Mackinnon. Mackinnon addressed the South African Parliament And he said, you people, you are panicking over nothing. Is it a wind of change or a change in the wind?
I see.
Do you understand it?
A wind of change.
Is it a wind of change?
Or
is colonialism ending, or we have just changed colonialism
to another fashion?
To another fashion. As I tell you, you fall to slavery, you condemn slavery, but today you take your children to Arab countries to do exactly the same.
Voluntarily.
And you name it labor export. Yes.
It is slavery.
Slavery.
Of another style.
And this is worse. Because the other ones used to be arrested by force, taken to walk to their way to Mombasa. Some of them died on their way. But today you even buy an air ticket.
Yourself.
Yeah, yourself.
Book yourself a plane.
You sell your chibanja, you go.
Land yourself.
And in many families, when you say family that is comfortable, they have somebody abroad.
I see.
So, for us, at times I annoy people. At times I annoy people. But I want to tickle their minds. That your ancestors were herded. Slaves were tied with the ropes. Walked on foot to go to Mombasa. Today, the slavers, the slave traders are not even Arabs, are Arab people. Most of these labor companies are owned by people in the government.
Are people from the
That's why whoever tries to rectify their conditions of exploitation. Organs have been exploited from people.
From our own people.
The UN report says, which I have, 404,500 Ugandan girls were taken to India alone and their organs extracted. They were taken to slaughterhouses.
Yes.
But you find the adverts
everywhere.
Everywhere.
The companies.
When Hajati Mukwaya and Bigirimana wanted to rectify the situation, they were sacked and replaced by Tumwebas.
I see.
One day all of the facts will reemerge. May I vote my way?
Muzaya, I want to ask you about the Vinya potholes in KCC in Kampala.
No. You see,
it's becoming a big problem.
One day you will see a gin on a pickup. You will see a gin on a pickup. This is technical. Why? Technical. I told you,
this rainy season
you are misusing 2 words. You cannot construct roads in Kampala. No. Because the roads in Kampala are already constructed. To construct a road, you can do it, you uproot, you destroy the existing one. Construction, in fact, I'm looking for my book, where Museveni said the time has come to construct good roads, and he gave the costs. A road must have a lifespan. When you go to Rwanda, when I went to Rwanda, as we are fighting in Rwanda, we are impressed. One, Olugudo, all of the entrances to Rwanda, there is a Gatuna. Gatuna, as you enter Gatuna, at that time, there was a good immigration center. They were yellow in nature. You could see lights across the border. But from Kabale, you would see a Chikubochente. That is Gatuna. And there is a nearby area where they said Mulamba. I visited all of these areas. When you go through Chisolo, there is Chanika. Immediately you left Chanika and you enter the Rwanda, you see good roads. Habyarimana took advantage of the confusion in Congo and Uganda to construct good. At one time, Rwanda was exporting coffee beyond this quarter. From where? From the confusion between Congo and Rwanda.
I see.
And Habyarimana, you cannot accuse Habyarimana. You can accuse Habyarimana of tribalism, but you cannot accuse Habyarimana of development.
I see.
No. Kakati bwavanga echanika ekisolo nga oyitya echanika mu mabanda nodi ekisolo ngeno yonna ekubo fu ngekubo fu naye nga olutuuka echanika noyingira Rwanda ng'olinga agenze mu Europe ng'oluguudo lw'e Rwanda luyina reflectors, oluguudo lw'e Rwanda luyina thickness, oluguudo lw'e Rwanda luyina life span ya myaka 6. Bano bakajina kye bakola bayiwawo mu malamu. What exposes the Kajinas And those people in the Kampala State Council is simple. You go where they have dug a manhole. Okay, very sickness yaji. Ya kola sariko. How can Echinyama develop potholes? Because Echinyama is condensed. Echinyama is condensed from hardcore.
I see.
And you get like here. You look here. Do you think I can have a pothole here?
I'm not sure.
How? There is concrete, there is a katimba, there is cement, and how can I have a pothole here? How?
So what happens with these people of KCC?
Lubeerako sickness layers esatu. Bateekako emu ne babba ne bagenda. Ekitegeeza reconstruction and resurfacing. In Kampala they don't do reconstruction, they do resurfacing. And if you see,
what is the difference?
Resurfacing means luwangala emyaka 7 oyiwako lububi.
Jangu onyige wali oyiweko.
Oba na buno obugundi mubuyita butya pavers mbuyita mutya?
Pavers.
Yes.
Tubuterawo mu musenyu mu bupanga.
Yalala bekonga bwumuse. Wala bekonga bwumuse. Wala bekonga bwumuse.
Sitera kutebutera ku.
Tujja kuleba ku kajinanga mukadde. Tujja kuleba nabagamba nti mwabali mu government. Mugende mwemanyiza akawunga akatono n'obufadisa obutono and improve Luzira. This is what I heard from Rugorobi. I'm in charge of planning and
I had missed a lot. When I go back, I'm going to I'm going to plan for prisons.
Mbagamba nti mujja kulaba abasajja abadduka okuva mu Ankole naye nga beebagaze seddume zante nga ziwanise emikira nga it is the only mobile thing to take yawe from Anangule mob. Mubabbi enyama, mubabbi amalima, mubabbi amata. They are silent.
Bemanyize Luzira.
Naye ekiribeera mu Ankole nja kuwa obutambi bw'Abanyankole nga batudde mu lulimi lwabwe. Baliwo bwe beepikira. Naye ekiri bwatuka mu Ankole bwe kiri bwatuka ojja kulaba bakutte enkoni, embwa, enjizi n'emikolo. Olwo bagobayo olw'amata gaabwe n'ennyama. Ojja kulaba be bagoba mu Ankole. Museveni bw'atali baweereza bwali batabaweereza gundi helicopter oba n'atabawa mamba tebalituuka lya ntonde. Olaba abasajja abajooza abantu kumata ku nnyama kuki? Ojja kulaba abasajja abadduka abajooza abavubi ne bajooga abavubi n'oddira ebyennyanja mbwe ebyennyanja ebitoto bigabidde amasomero. You are stupid. Ate biriibwa n'owulira embwa ekizino ne mukuba amaato g'abavubi kubanga mwagalamu nnuuni. Nemuddeyo netteeka ne muli revivinga era 1923 erigana okalira ebyennyanja kubanga ebyennyanja byonna binagana mu Bachina. Eyo nayo mujja kulaba be baleeta, mujja kulaba abavubi nga bakutte enkasi balina gwe baleeta adduka. You are sleeping in a revolution.
I see.
This is a revolution. Era in fact I believe banuwa baaliyo. Banuwa baaliyo mbabuulidde muganya okuwulira. Wajja kulaba ntuko olw'amata kana kasajja kabukedde bakajjeyo amata gali mu ennyama eri mu faludon akola ki? Faludon ennyama bagitwala ebweru. Monopolism. Ebyennyanja monopolism. Buli kimu kyonna mu monopolism. They don't operate in business acumen. Mugenda kulaba nga kyabise. Mujja kulaba abasirikale nga bazinzeeko parliament bemukunamira. Abasajja balimu amayingi ya pole. Mubaba kati mugateeka ku biyumba by'embwa zammwe. Ojja kulaba mukunamye nnyo. Ensi mugikunamidde. When a drunkard woman sweeps naked before drunkard man is raped.
Kati owenguudde eno manye kyatuwunyisiza muzeeyi.
Mukampala
Museveni kwekuga mugende muzibe ebinnya.
Mukampala mulimu ate bazibe ebinnya bitya? No, potholes. It means an extra. Once you say crack, developing from a foundation of a house, then it must be reconstructed.
Yes. From the foundation.
And tell us how these tenders are won in Kampala and who are the owners of this company. Baba Manyi.
That's a big question.
Baba Manyi. Baba Manyi. Chigenda kuabika. This yes. And how does it take the president, the president ayogere taking advantage? Tabakolera procedures. Who constructed? You tell us the companies that constructed these fake roads. If you have a mechanic, if you take your vehicle to a garage and it does not perform well, do you take it back? Do you take it back? Did you, are these people telling us that they lack funds? Have those companies that constructed the fake road, have they been blacklisted and ordered to pay money?
No.
If you better than your way, Enkulu
companies azimbe bazituwa batubulira
is a beneficiary. Nkubuli yazimbe nyumba ya Lukwage. Nkubuli yazimbe nyumba ya Lukwage eyerubaga. Mukubuli yajizimba. Mukubuli yazimbe nyumba. Anti nze bonnamba kwatanga boogera. Nobody is safe in this country. Kuba bonnamba kwatanga.
Kwa bulijja asaba tenda.
Anti nkubuli.
N'obulyanyi asaba ati mujje mutulabeko.
Okitegeera? Dwe bazimba bakuba omukazi naye omukazi oyo nosali singa bamukuba ne bamutta ali mu sekansi yajja n'agoba omukulu w'essomero ku Kampala ku odi Kampala batunda ettaka awo ewali kati baasi zino gulobo we zibeera
wali wammanga
singa bakuba omukazi oyo singa bakuba ne bamutta
n'abagereka primary school
ono di Kampala eryo ettaka lyolaba ewali awo kati ku gulobo lyali lya odi Kampala ne bajjawo omukulu w'essomero ne bamutwalawo tewaligezeeyo wanudde nafusali ajja kwatibwa nasali oyo bye bakozesa ne basuula wanudde should be arrested sinasali ono ali mugundi ali mu judicial nedda kino waliwo ekirala ekiri mu city council waliwo ekiri mu city council ekyo tukyetaaga nnyo ne bwe kiba ku kijjanjaba mu kijjanjabe time is coming abantu ago gonna bagayoole googere abagakozesanga yes
abenguudo bano bote bawogera bakanya kusaba sente
buli kasente. How is a road tendered in Kampala City Council? Are they tendered?
Simanyi procedure yokole luguudo Kampala.
Tebamanyi bazikola bannanyinizo. Ebyo byonna bakwata bisubi. When somebody is going to die, even if you gonte yafudde. Tebamutudde mu ddwaliro ery'amaanyi.
Muhakanizi.
Teyafudde.
Yafudde.
If somebody wants to vomit, ne bomukwata enyuma ne bomukwata kyaseseme.
Kituufu.
Agama company gajja kwatibwa. One day.
Banyinigo.
Ojja kulaba kino sali ekyo mu city council nga bakiyodde. Ani yakugamba otunde ogoba omukulu w'essomero mujje mu odi Kampala. Nekijja nekiba abaana baali bakikubidde. Singa bakikubana bekikolako n'ebyensonyi. Singa bakikola ebyavako. Those are agents, and once they are used, they are dumped.
Bananyini makampuni gado bebani.
Anti one day they
bebani aba batoke.
One day we shall know.
Sente zifuluma
one day we shall know.
Mu wiki emu.
Not in 10 years. We are not going to expose them in 10 years. Not at all. That's why they are panicking. Mao said, when Museveni said that the war is going to end in Uganda, in northern Uganda, the problem is the bushes. Once we get combat helicopters, Mao laughed. Mao said Nsonga zimuweddeko. Didn't it end?
Of course
I'm telling you. They are doing these things to get money. Why? They have compromised everybody. Bali balabaza nange nje muhango. Kana kutabaleka akajitu kayenzo okunya kongonya kwani. Mune kwanigwe. Mune kwanigwe. Gwe nalaba ngoli mwavu. Ndio mukaniye. Nange mpwana ngende wa ndikazungu amayi kazungu amayi furniture be moved from one place to another. I refused. I have staged the longest resistance in Uganda's history. You cannot humiliate me.
I see.
And they are failed to guide the access of my machine. I have all the recordings. Tell you one conversation you have with Simanyi. That's why they are panicking over. Nobody will ever take my recordings. What I can assure these people is that I'm a mature man. These recordings.
They are saying you don't know the impact it will do about them in the future.
Who started the fighting? Who started the fighting? Was the fighting started by me? The fighting was started by Franka Tumwebaza and Nakalema. I can give you see, Pelabia Musaja Babagambi. Mirundi reaction provocation. How can you say that you are holding my man that Museveni gave me? Because I must involve lawyers, and this is the second time they are talking about. How do you see that an arrogant man like me, I can involve my family, I can go to lawyers, Sinza. Surrender my money peacefully. As a mature man, I don't know what I can do. Yes. I don't decide that when you give I am a I'm all hardened now. I didn't know. When I left the state house, I didn't know that I would survive. How many vehicles are here? Many.
Every time I see one entering another going out.
By the time they launched an attack on me, I was well prepared for them. Taking you. Kibayinza kukifuna ekyo kye boogera.
Kyewuunyisa essente balya essente balya enkuba olutonya mbweti byonna ebinnya bye
bajja bakwata. The other day Museveni was praising Musesi. The other day was saying that Kisaka is on a Bible commission. How can a person on a Bible commission until identify the loopholes the other day? Those are contradictions.
My daughter.
It means that the president is torn between the two factions.
I see.
The one that tells him lies and the other one. The images of Muhozi. When we are doing marketing means when a new entrant comes into the field, then you must change.
I see.
The anti-Muhozi movement will shake. Will not. This is a political storm. Hurricane. Nilako sajja kano kajo bana. Okawulidde banange akatambi kano mukashera. Mulaba kasajja kano n'entwe yako. Nti ekanika. Bring his family members. Sign a document. Nali bambise Kyankwanzi nali ganya kutulika mbatti. Nibagamba Mbwa, he must come. Tokalugere second chambers and each one. Nalinja battiramu. Nalinja kujibattiramu. Surrender my money.
Njagala kusembayo muzeyine.
The political landscape has changed in my favor.
Mukwano.
Nano gende wofe nenkaba. Baba kubyenyu. Bakasajja kubajjaka bakawaniko obuguzi. N'amaka gaako gaatabuka. Tekayinza kuneregamu. The best kasajja ko kikayina okukola. Surrender my money. Bagenze mu UCC. Balazeruda. Njogala kubona akakayina empali. Empali baziyita bwe busambye butabuguma mu Buganda. Njogala kubona waliwo nakasajja akasoga akayina olunagisi mu nnyuma. Bazijjeko. Abazijjeko. The other day so good deputy speaker. Arguing that internet must be restored. What is defamatory to the way I was here? Bwe bali bagigala ute yaliwo kati ajeetaaga.
Muzeyi njagala kusembayo na kino. People criticizing Anita Amongi okwenyigira mugendo okujjayo ba MP bakuti ku CBS. Babuuza lwaki tagenda najjayo abalala basibire
president basegerinya babalemerayo. Does he have a pardon? Does Amongi have a pardon?
Simanyi.
They want to demonstrate that they can protect MPs. If you want to protect MPs, pass a law that MPs enjoy diplomatic immunity until they lose their jobs. Like when they stated that a president of Uganda can only be charged after leaving power. Don't go to the police station, one day will be shot. Because you are moving with your habitable. You are covering up. Kakati mchimba mukola, I advise parliamentarians. Use the services of my son to draft a law for you.
Saying that so long as you are a member of parliament,
we are not arrestable. We shall be arrestable after
we leave power.
Iranga bwolaba nti bubwayini byaliko bya busiru. You don't have to insert a term limit provision in your constitution that somebody must serve 2 terms. 2 terms, I assume that is not going to be subjected to an election. Are you saying we shall not have primaries in your party?
They will be there.
Yes. Ate mubasiru mpuuka ate yagenda wala. Mpuuka mubasiru ate yagenda.
Ajja kutwala mu kooti.
Tayina. Mukuba ne muteeka wali. What is his background? Ezo statement zakoleza obusiru. You don't need to argue over this argument. No. As long as Ugandans have the freedom to choose the person they want, manipulating them is politics. But why do you have term limits? Haven't we seen prime ministers of Britain resigning where there are no term limits?
Yes.
Is there a term limit for prime minister?
Resigning.
Do we have term limits for political parties in America? No. A political party can be in power for a long time. In Mexico, a party remained in power for 50 years until the president called the Fox changed the politics is at power, influence and advantage. Once you make reforms and you erode this influence and advantage, you go.
Yes.
Yes. We had one political party in Japan that held power in Japan for 50 years, changing leaders. So the issue, you don't need term limits to change leaders. The moment the people, the population of Uganda believe
politics is symbolizing.
Having
something be there.
Onabagamba. Bobby Wine yagala baleteeka. Nti I control you. Know what Bobby Wine should do. You state the 10 commandments of a NUP leader. Do you think ntikanaga gwagwa? Bana baumba bana bafungula ndiga. Bebaje mu municipalities. Ona abatwalira kabalinga sente za policeman. Ndibagenda kudda. You think those youths are going to come back abaagenze Kyankwanzi? Bagenda kudda.
Simanyi batu kya.
Omuganda akugamba nti kuwemukira munyeronga talidda Buganda.
Kituufu.
Ye, bagenda kudda bebaga wuttulinga ekyo ekyomukono. Buli kyagenze Kyankwanzi kyonna nga kivudde mu NUP. You see, fe betubadde nabo emyaka gino gyonna batujoza ne batunya ku mitwe ne batunyolako ne baniya. Mwe batanieko. Amwe batanieko.
Mwe batuteyo kati.
Fa babadde nabo ne batukuba ne batunyolako. Gwe batunyolako.
Gwe bakutwala Ekyankwanzi.
Ntoka matako gaabo nti be balina okunyamba tufulume. Wamala kufuluma n'ofuluma wani n'ofuluma. Mwe muki. They usually dump you.
They will
How can a sensible man from Mukono? It's mainly the mayor of Mukono. Haven't you had cases where Kusasa is crying?
Yes.
Haven't you had cases where those who joined the movement are liberating?
Yes.
Are you not hearing our voices? I'm happy because I stood my ground until Mukozi came.
I see.
I sleep soundly now. Yes. Yes. Embuzi Museveni yagisiba ewatali muddo nga mukoddemu omugambye nti amuyuzirees kano nga kalina olutwe kagula abamawulire ne kanzyo kabusenga nekkulu byambwa mu mad. I've stood my ground for 10 years.
Until
you need dispensation.
I see.
Nebyo nga kino ekyemukono mbwa ebyo bigenda Kyankwanzi mbwa. Kyankwanzi yatandise eggulu.
Kyankwanzi teriyo kalungi.
Yefu Kyankwanzi shapes people. Abaabwe basepinze eki.
Mazima. Ababo abagenda
nekiva emukono n'entwe yakyo nekiva emukono n'entwe yakyo ekyo ekisajja ekikwata ekyongere kiwa ekirabo kyasinze obusiru mu Uganda omwaka guno ekyo kimeya kyemukono. It deserves a trophy for the most stupid person. You hear the kusasira crying.
One NUP.
Nenyumba ye bagituuze.
Oboboyite obusiru.
Kuba amagezi akiwaddeyo ssente ndowooza ebyo birabba policeman toba Kyankwanzi nekikuba amawulire abaabukete nga kiri emmere tolyangako mmere wekyo busajja gwe ewanti wali mmere mukazi wakumma emmere ku manyoko. Let us go.
Nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares